To me, it was easier to learn how to be disciplined than it was to learn how to be talented.
Positivity is a muscle. I realized that my mom taught me that, and she really didn't even know that.
Don't wake up on your deathbed looking back at your life and saying, I wish I would have.
And the opportunity to change someone's life. Do it. Do it. Not for me. Not for work, for your work, for your opportunity.
Always find you, because you're important. Nothing else happens without you.
You need to be evaluating your circle on a consistent basis.
Yo, good morning, y'all. We are at Undercover Billionaire Bootcamp right now. Let's go talk to some people. That's what's up.
I was born ready.
Oh yeah.
Let's go, baby.
If you don't want to give, you're never gonna receive the things you want.
There's a lot of people from like thousands of dollars just to convert this 10% into a sale. However, if you invest in the unaware and the aware, now you're making sure that you are at the top of the list.
And I think because of your story, people all over America are now going to RV shops and saying, "Can I sleep here tonight?" It was obviously documented that you and Grant had a relationship.
Looking back now and hearing and watching Elaine, I think that I was his wife.
I lecture and I look at Lewis and I was like, Lewis, has anyone ever, do you know a guy named Grant Cardone? Have you ever